Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about an item that was sent to me from the Fissin Beauty and Lifestyle brand. They gifted this to me and I just want to show you first how amazing it's packaged. It comes with a beautiful romance card and it comes packaged in this plastic container in this beautiful velvet box. I'm going to take this out and I'm going to show you how beautiful this necklace is. So let me tell you about this beautiful necklace I received. As you can see, it's a pave initial necklace. Comes with a beautiful chain, and also on the back of the chain it extends from 16 to 18 inches, which means that you can wear it at 16, at 17, 16 and a half, whichever you prefer. It's got a little crystal CZ on the back of the chain that drops down. It's really beautiful. Again, it's a pave initial necklace made out of CZ. It has a really nice quality lobster claw clasp on the back. You can see how beautiful that is, and you can see how nice that crystal is. Again, lobster claw, beautifully done. This hangs actually at a little bit of an angle, which is really cool for interest. It's not your typical straight initial pendant. As you can see, it just has that angle, which is really nice. It's tarnish free. It's a great item for a gift. Again, it goes from anywhere from 16 to 18 inches. You can move it 16 and a half, 17, 17 and a half. Makes an awesome gift for anyone. They have every initial imaginable, or it's a great necklace for you to keep for yourself. I guarantee you will reach for it every day. It's now one of my new favorites. Thanks for watching, and please come back for more shopping ideas from our channel.